Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, shop with me at Dollar Tree for the 2025 July-August shopping finds. First, Dollar Tree has already brought in their fall decor, and perhaps I overlooked it from last year, but it seems new to me this year. Their hand soap in these beautiful dispensers in both apple and pumpkin scents as well as shapes, and they smell really good. However, it seems to me that they've increased their cute little figurine decor pieces this year, probably as a result of their price increases. You'll notice that they have red stickers, which means that they are $1.50 instead of the usual $1.25. They also brought back a lot of the same stuff from last year, and they also have the pumpkin wreaths this year, which I'm very thrilled about because I'll have a new DIY with that coming up very soon. Next, the mushrooms are definitely new this year. They come in apparently 5 different shades of color: green, blue, this sort of gold color, a sort of burnt orange color, and a shade of pink and maybe magenta. And I am totally obsessed with these new ribbons with the gold edging. I'll be honest, I'm not exactly sure what shade this is, but it kind of looks like a reddish brown or something. Either way, I'm planning to do a DIY with this. And if you can guess it, let me know in the comments below what you think I'm going to do with it. And of course, in the same aisle, they also have some Halloween decor already. I didn't see anything too much new this year, except that I did notice they brought in a lot of these wreath over the door hangers, and they have these cute little decorative things on those hangers, and I think that's pretty nice. But there's definitely no witch hat this year, and that's okay because I'm not going to be doing a witch hat wreath this year anyways. Those decor pieces look really cool, and definitely check out my DIYs with those pumpkins. However, at least on this section here, I do see a lot of new lights for Halloween. You can now get all sorts of lights outside of just their typical pumpkin, bat, ghost, or even the skull lights. You can also get regular lights, and those would be fun if you wanted to use that to decorate a tree, or if you wanted it to decorate, the inside of your home. I didn't double check to make sure if they're safe for outdoors, so make sure you check that if you're going to check out Dollar Tree. However, on this end, they also have higher priced Halloween decor ranging from $5 to $7. And if you're not a DIYer, I need to point out they now have $7 wreaths for the fall. And they now have a 60-inch skeleton decor for $7, which is 5 feet, and a gigantic fuzzy spider, which I also presume is around $7. Plus these little witch hats, as well as these creepy plants for about $7 each. And the cute little candy holders that come in the skeleton version and the jack-o'-lantern version. And a price increase I missed in my previous shopping video is that they now have these catering supplies priced at $2 each. And lastly, new to Dollar Tree, they now have sewing kits of all sorts. Sim Reaper, needles, all sorts of things. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.